CCTV Camera World is proud to provide support for products purchased from our website. If you purchased your product from another vendor, please contact the vendor you purchased from for further assistance.
In this video by CCTV Camera World, I'm going to show you how to connect to your Avalonix Premium Series XVR or DVR that was purchased from CCTV Camera World. You need to make sure first you've enabled P2P settings on your DVR. We enable them before we ship it out. Make sure yours is showing an online status. I'll show that when I scan the QR code from mine. Second, you download the DMSS app. Make sure you downloaded this correct app, otherwise you cannot connect to the Avalonix Premium Series of products. We explain all of this in our Dummies guide, and you should be following that guide thoroughly in order to get to this step to follow this video. Now, to add the DVR, it's pretty simple. As long as you've not changed your password and you've got a P2P status and you've got the correct app, click on DMSS. Hit on the top right-hand side, you would click the plus button to add the device. Now, if you're launching your app for the first time after you download it, you may see a screen to create an account. Please do not create an account. You don't need to create an account to be able to connect to your devices. You can skip that. All you need to do is get to this top bar here where it says device and hit the plus sign and add a device. There are several different options to be able to add the device using either a QR code, which is the simplest, as long as your P2P services say they're online. So I'm going to click that, and then my P2P settings here, you can see on the P2P page here on my DVR, under network, P2P, say online. So all I'm going to do now is scan in my serial number from the DVR. You could scan the QR code that has the serial number on the top of your DVR too. You can follow this guide also for even an NVR. The only thing that's going to be different is going to be the next step. When it's on this screen, it says on the add device settings, it's got my serial number here. It scanned it from that serial number QR code that I scanned in. It says security code, skip it, hit next. Now, this is the most important part. You have to select the right type of device that you're adding to. So here, you go under NVR and XVR, and you select DVR, XVR if you're trying to add this to your XVR or DVR. Look at the front of the DVR. It'll say whether it's an XVR or an NVR. So these days, if you post 2023, if you're buying a recorder, if it's an analog recorder, it's going to be an XVR. If you're buying an IP camera recorder, it's going to be an NVR. In my case, I'm adding a DVR XVR. Now, it brought in that serial number here. Now it's asking me to name the device. I'm going to name it Work2. Username is the default admin, and the password is the default that we set before we ship it. Make sure you look at the label on the top of your recorder and you've entered that correctly, case sensitive, and no misspellings. Hit done. If you want to view what you typed in, you can click the eye icon and then hit save. A successful connection will come up with this screen that says add device, UPnP. It doesn't really matter. You could have it on or off, really doesn't matter. All you do is just hit completed and you're going to be able to connect to your DVR. Now I have a camera added on channel 5 and I can see that right here, and I can even control it as it is a PTZ camera. I could actually move it around and do other stuff with it. Well, that's how you add your DVR or XVR from Avalonix Premium Series. That's available here at CCTV Camera World. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.